We're in an unprecedented global pandemic that really sucks. It's tough going through this second wave. It's frustrating having shut down all of us, our lives through the spring, and now be forced to make more difficult choices and knowing that it's going to be a tough winter ahead as well. It's easy for us to want to throw up our hands. I think we have to ask ourselves who we really are as Canadians. Are we really good neighbors? Are we really people who care about the most vulnerable, about each other? I know we are. And it doesn't mean we're going to be perfect every step of the way, and it does mean we have to continually remind ourselves to follow public health advice. But I know Canadians can get through this together. And yes, we've seen rises in cases here and there. We've also seen flattening of the curve in other places. We know we can do this. We've done it before. And it's frustrating to have to explain to your kids in many parts of the country, like here in Ottawa, that we're not going to be trick-or-treating this weekend. And it's frustrating knowing that unless we're really, really careful, there may not be the kinds of family gatherings we want to have at Christmas. My 6-year-old asked me a few weeks ago, "Dad, is COVID-19 forever?" I mean, he's in grade 1. This was supposed to be his big year as a big boy, and they're not even singing in his classroom. This is really difficult. It's a time where we need to do the right thing. We need to lean on each other. We need to use all the tools we can. And we're not all always going to be perfect, but we will get through this. Vaccines are on the horizon. Spring and summer will come, and they will be better than this winter. It's frustrating to have to go through this situation. Nobody wanted 2020 to be this way. But we do get to control how bad it gets by all of us doing our part, by provinces stepping up and making those tough decisions around who to close and where to close and when to close, by the federal government stepping up with income support so that provinces can close where they need to. This sucks. It really, really does. But we're going to get through it by doing what Canadians always do, by pulling together, by working hard, and by knowing that better days are coming.